Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I am Mpumelelo Ntoyi, the founder of Khula Essential Oils. I started this business in 12 December 2023. I am operating in Welcome Tabo. Okay, I started this business because last year in 2023, I struggled to find funding to pursue my studies at CUT. So I saw it a perfect fit that I should start something that could sustain me on the long run. Okay, I'm selling room diffusers that can be used at homes and at offices, and I also sell car diffusers that can be used on cars. The reason why you should buy our products is that our products are of good quality and we use flavors that are not similar like other brands. And then the reason why you should buy our products is that instead of only making your environment or your car smell nice, our products can also benefit you as a person mentally. You can find us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram under Khula Essential Oils. And also our WhatsApp number is 067 134 4444. Hi, my name is Mpumelelo Ntoyi. I am a township entrepreneur.